Welcome to Copenhagen, today's top travel and food journey. We'll take you through the must-see attractions, hidden gems, and local advice to make the most of your trip to this vibrant and charming city. Let's start our journey from the airport to the city centre. The efficient metro system and scenic routes make the trip enjoyable. The journey takes approximately 15 minutes, and tickets can be conveniently purchased from automatic machines. Nyhavn Canal is one of Copenhagen's most iconic and picturesque spots, renowned for its colourful 17th century townhouses, vibrant atmosphere, and historic wooden ships. A cruise along Nyhavn offers a unique perspective of the city, allowing you to glide past its beautiful waterfront, under charming bridges, and through bustling harbour areas. As you navigate the canals, you'll gain insights into Copenhagen's rich maritime history and enjoy stunning views of key landmarks like the Copenhagen Opera House and the Royal Danish Playhouse. A Nyhavn Canal cruise is a perfect way to experience the charm and history of Denmark's capital. Christiania, also known as Freetown, is a unique and self-proclaimed autonomous neighbourhood in Copenhagen. Established in 1971, this former military barracks has transformed into a vibrant, artistic community. The Little Mermaid, perched on a rock by the Langelinie Promenade in Copenhagen, Tivoli Gardens, one of the world's oldest and most enchanting amusement parks. Nestled in the heart of Copenhagen, Tivoli offers a delightful mix of thrilling rides, stunning gardens, and captivating cultural performances. Whether you're seeking adrenaline-pumping roller coasters or a tranquil stroll through beautifully landscaped paths, Tivoli promises an unforgettable experience. It's a must-visit spot in Copenhagen, where history and modernity blend seamlessly to create a magical atmosphere. Kastellet, one of the best-preserved star fortresses in Northern Europe, is a historic military site in Copenhagen. Constructed in the 17th century, this distinctive pentagon-shaped fortification features well-maintained ramparts, a picturesque moat, and charming old barracks. Our next stop takes us to the vibrant City Hall Square, a bustling hub in the heart of Copenhagen. Surrounded by historic buildings, this lively square serves as a gateway to the city's rich history and dynamic present. From here, you can easily explore nearby attractions. This architectural marvel is a stunning example of Rococo design, characterized by its ornate details and graceful curves. Inside, the church is adorned with intricate marble work and beautiful frescoes that reflect the grandeur of its design. Next on our journey through Copenhagen, we arrive at Amalienborg Palace, the residence of the Danish royal family. One of the most captivating experiences here is the changing of the guards, a daily event that draws visitors from all over the world. Rosenborg Castle, nestled in the heart of Copenhagen, is a stunning Renaissance-era palace that offers a glimpse into Denmark's royal history. Built in the early 17th century by King Christian IV, the castle is renowned for its beautifully preserved architecture and opulent interiors, housing an impressive collection of royal artifacts, including the Danish crown jewels and regalia. Visitors can explore the grand halls, richly decorated rooms, and the expansive, manicured gardens that surround the castle. Be sure to follow our other adventures around the world, where we always share where to go, what to do, secrets told by locals, and unmissable tips. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to stay updated for free, as well as share your own experiences from when you were in Copenhagen, or your questions about this fantastic destination in the comments. Until the next trip, stay safe.